So welcome to Easy Way Coaching Classes. So today we will discuss how to calculate any angle of trigonometric functions like 30, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So you don't need to mug them up. So you have to remember only these two figures and you will do anything with these values. So very easy now. Now pay attention to this. So first of all we will calculate the value of sine theta. So what is formula of sine theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. So let us calculate sine 30 degree. So please refer to this triangle which is 30, 60 and 90. So the opposite side of 30 is having 1 divided by 2. The hypotenuse, the length of hypotenuse is 2. So simple, no? So let us calculate cos 30 with the same diagram. Cos 30. Cos 30 is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side? So it depends on theta. So here we have taken 30 degree. So adjacent side to 30 degree is root 3. And what is length of hypotenuse? It's 2. So we have done it so easily. There is no need to do anything. So for tan 30, let's evaluate the value of tan 30. So tan 30, nothing but opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side of 30 degree is 1, opposite side is 1 and adjacent side is root 3. So I see lot of students who mug all the formulas. So in order to remember, but remember these two figures and all problems will get solved. So pay attention carefully. So here this is triangle, basically right angle triangle having angles 30, 60 and 90. So basic property of triangle is sum of its three angles is 180. So we know it. So 30, 60, 90. So opposite side of 30 having length 1 and hypotenuse having length 2 and the side opposite to 60 degree angle having length root 3. So this is first triangle you have to remember, and second is the 45 triangle. So it's very easy actually. The both sides are equal. So if two angles are equal, then the sides corresponding to those angles are also equal. So from this theorem, two sides are equal, so which are 1 1 having magnitude 1 1 and hypotenuse has length root 2. So sine 45 is opposite upon root 2. So what is opposite? Let's say 45 only. So 1 by root 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Adjacent and opposite both sides are same. Tan 45 is 1 by 1. So remember only these two figures and you can solve anything. So let us solve for some of the values. So let us solve for cosec 60 degree. So cosec 60 is nothing but hypotenuse divided by opposite side. So hypotenuse is what? 2. Opposite side is root 3. So this is cosec 30. 60, sorry, 60, and cos, say 60. Cos 60 is what? Adjacent side, 1 divided by hypotenuse, 2. So this is very easy method to calculate anything. So tan 60, let us say. What is tan 60? Opposite side divided by adjacent side is nothing but root 3 upon 1. So with the help of all this, we can find out every value of function. So here we stop. Again, extension of these formulae we see in next lecture. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. We are Easy Way coaching classes. We are having everyday live classes, so you can attend them. We are going to provide the link in description. So join WhatsApp group and keep in touch with us. Thank you so much.